शरण जी, अगला क्वेश्चन जो दिमाग में आता है, इस बार हम लोग बात करते हैं कि 3i टैलेंट एंड 3i पार्टिसिपेंट रजिस्ट्रेशंस। सो इस तरह के जो रजिस्ट्रेशन और पार्टिसिपेशन का प्रोसेस है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा और बताना चाहेंगे, हल्का सा?
Absolutely. So the difference between 3i talent registration and 3i competition is very slim. Anyone can register on our website for free of charge as 3i talent. So you go our website, just fill your information and you register. But if you want to participate in the competition, in 3i competition, then you need to upload, need to make your video a competition video. For that, you have to pay a competition fees, which is an annual competition fees. Once you pay annual competition fees, you will be able to make your non-competition video a competition video. And that is the only difference. So if you don't want to participate in competition, yeah, you don't submit the competition video. But if you want to participate, you have to make non-competition video a competition video. That's the only difference. Rest everything remains same.
Got you. So just to clarify, जो लोग कंपटीशन राउट में नहीं जाना चाहते, मे बी उनके दिमाग में कुछ सवाल हैं, whether is the right thing to do right now, whether they qualified enough, whatever might be the, but वो अगर लोग टैलेंट वाले में रजिस्टर करते हैं अपने आप को, उनके वीडियोस को भी जजेस देखेंगे, कमेंट्स देंगे?
Very good question, Ajay, and I would like to, if you give me 2 minutes, I would like to explain why 3i talent registration is important.
Right,
so
right.
Do I have your permission? 2 minutes?
Please. All ears.
Thank you. So the reason why we have 3i talent, we just launched a new module called non-competition video evaluation by Bollywood celebrities and professionals. See, right. Every talent would like to get its video evaluated or get his performance evaluated, talent evaluated by a Bollywood celebrity or a professional.
Absolutely.
So we didn't want to keep it only for participants, because if you are a participant, you are participant means you are competing in the competition and you have to pay competition fees. So that's why we kept it open that anyone can register as 3i talent and they can submit their non-competition video for their celebrity evaluation. Any celebrity they can pick from our website: Jatin Pandit, Arko Mukherjee, Longinus Fernandez, Chinni Prakash, Raja Hassan. So many celebrity of all different categories are there. That right, is absolutely. Why the 3i talent registration, we made it free so that any talent can get an opportunity to get his talent evaluated by any Bollywood or Hollywood celebrity or any professional. So this is an interesting concept we launched this year.
So Sharan ji, this is something really mind-boggling. बहुत बढ़िया चीज आपने बताई है, और जो यूनिकनेस के बारे में हम लोग पहले बात कर रहे थे पहले पार्ट डिस्कशंस में कि ऐसा क्या यूनिक है 3i इंटरनेशनल इंडियन आइकॉन प्लेटफॉर्म पे. आई थिंक दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज एक्सट्रीमली यूनिक. आप घर बैठे आप अपना वीडियो अपलोड कर रहे हैं एंड यू कैन गेट इट रिव्यूड बाय द लेजेंडरी celebrities who are there. Not only get it reviewed, but you get their feedback back, which you can incorporate and buy within yourself to improve your performance for future, which is there.
Absolutely,
really,
absolutely.
Very unique, very unique.
This module has been appreciated by a lot of Bollywood celebrities. Ajay, you will see in coming days, in coming months, 3i will have all big Bollywood celebrities professional on our 3i platform because they loved this concept. And every amazing. Participant talent would love this concept.
This is amazing. Very nice. This is actually hats off to the concept. I think this is going to be providing one other added, वो कहते हैं ना कि तर्कस में बाण मिलना एक और It is like an ammunition to all the people who have talent, who want to showcase their talent. But more important than showcasing is how do you keep improving? Because you have to keep pushing the lever up and up. So this is one of the best ways actually you can give to anybody who wants to get plugged into this. So very, very nice. So thank you for that. Very, very nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
थोड़ा सा शरण जी, अगर ये थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं, ये जानना चाहते हैं कि लोग जब इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, तो एक तो हुआ सिलेक्शन के बारे में आपने बताया, 5 लेवल्स एंड पीपल गेट रिव्यूड एंड दे गेट सिलेक्टेड. तो अगर आप उस पर थोड़ा सा बात करें. और सेकंड है कि बेनिफिट्स ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन. हमने पार्टिसिपेट किया तो उसके बदले में क्या मिलता है? So in case somebody is a winner, what do they get?
So basically, so you asked 2 questions.
Right.
First is that can you repeat that question? Sorry.
First one was more on the selection process when you talk about it. So आपने बताया था 5 levels है. And the second was benefits and winners के लिए क्या है?
Correct. So first question, that what is the selection process? It's very interesting selection process we have. We have 2 type of judgment panels. We call it, first is 3i international jury, and second is we call G panel of judges. G panel of judges is all the Bollywood celebrities who evaluate competition video at that level, right? The participant who participate. Then the 3 international jury members, that is the members we have, all professionals and celebrity from all over the world. And they will evaluate your non-competition videos as well as your competition video uploaded at level 1, 2 or level 3. So if you go to our website, you will see all Bollywood celebrities under G panel of judges who will be judging your competition video, and then 3i international jury who will be judges your non-competition as well as competition video. So now selection process, as I said, when a talent becomes a participant, we call it 3i on. So any participant, once he pay competition fees, he becomes a 3i on, which is a participant. He upload his video, and international jury members or G panel of judges, they will watch the video uploaded on our website, and if they find him qualified for level 3, then they move him to level 3. Or if they say, okay, yeah, this guy is okay, we should give him another chance, they move it to level 2. And then he upload another video at level 2 or level 3. So once you have been moved to level 3, which is a state Indian icon, you uploaded your another competition video, then again judges will judge your video, and if they find you qualified for country icon, which is level 4, who can move to level 4? State icon winners. Let's say California Indian icon winner in each category, singing, dancing, instrument, fashion, all categories, winner, first and second runner-up. But sometimes judges, they do select judges' choice too. So from each state, each category, minimum 3 participants, winner, first, second runner, or maybe 1 or 2 judges' choice can move to level 4. And once they move to level 4, if it is online, they upload another video. If it is on-site, then they come on-site and perform. If any level, any state icon or country icon is happening on-site, then you don't need to upload your video because you are going to perform on-site face-to-face with the judges. But if it is online, then you upload video and judges will judge your video and move to the next level. Another interesting point I would like to make into this is that once you are at level 1 or 3 online, we do have a voting concept too, because we want to give opportunity to all our participants as well as talent to promote their video online, because that is the purpose of this online platform, that you promote, you showcase your talent to the world through our website. So then
Absolutely.
any participant or any talent can promote their video to get likes, votes, comments, rating of their video. So this being online, you can promote, any participant or talent can promote their video globally, and they can get likes, comments, and rating of their video. Vote is only possible for the competition video, not for the non-competition video. Now, the beauty of this concept is, Ajay, why we have that? Because we want that our talent, participant or talent should be searched globally. If you need a singer or dancer or professional in Dusseldorf in Germany, you don't know who Indian talent is there. You can go to our website, search a talent of your category in your country, state, or city. You will be able to find. And that is a big vision of 3i. That's why we want people to come, register, upload, promote. You never know who is looking what talent in what part of the world. If you are there on 3i website, you may get a chance in any part of the world around the globe.
This is again another very unique thing which you're making it available to the people who are scouting for talents in different parts of the world. और उनके लिए भी काम एक तरह से आसान आप बना रहे हैं क्योंकि आप लोगों को सेलेक्ट करते हैं इस प्रोसेस के थ्रू में, and then you mark it for people to come and actually access that and find. So amazing. Again, this is one of the unique things which possibly we do not get to see in too many other programs which are there across.
Yes, that is the purpose. That's why we want to give opportunity to each and every Indian talent on this earth so that they can showcase their talent globally.
सही बात है. So मैंने आपसे दो क्वेश्चन पूछे थे इसी में, and I think the first part जो क्वेश्चन का that itself had so much of content जो आप अभी कवर कर रहे थे कि सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस के बारे में बताने के लिए. Second part was कि about what do the participants, let's say somebody is going to win, winner को क्या मिलता है या what do the participants get out of it, and you partially touched about it.
Correct, right. So our objective goal is to get the recognition to our winners or even to all participants, right? So
Correct.
Our goal objective is to put our winners, first or second runner up, in front of Bollywood industry or Hollywood industry or professionals who can give them chance or opportunity. So that is our vision. We are trying our best to give opportunity to the winners in some Bollywood or Hollywood movie, in some single or some shows that celebrities, they go and conduct, host, outside the world or any part of the world. That is where actually I want to go. I want to get our winners opportunity. So far, it has not happened, frankly, I tell you. But soon, I'm trying my best. I'm collaborating with the Hollywood, Bollywood directors and celebrities and asking them if they can give opportunity, a break to 3i winners. And it will happen. It is just a matter of time that because it's just 4th season, but I'm sure it will happen soon. So that is where we want our winners, talent, participant go. But apart from that, every winner gets a beautiful custom 3i trophy. They get a medal or, depending upon first or second winner. And every participant reaching level 3 onwards, they get a 3i certificate signed by the judges, Bollywood celebrities. So,
absolutely.
Yeah, I have so many things in pipeline. I would love to make a 3i movie where I can give opportunity to all my winners, talent, or the deserving participant. I would love to make a 3i single or cover video, but that's all we are thinking, and I hope it will happen one day soon, maybe this season.
Amen to that. Actually, it will happen. The way you have actually dreamt of such a grand vision which you have behind this and the way you've been executing. I'm fairly confident this is all going to get realized. So once
Thank
again, all the very best for this. एक आखिरी सवाल, जाते
Sure.
जाते आप ये कुछ अपने पार्टिसिपेंट्स को कोई टिप देना चाहेंगे? Anything?
Absolutely. And Ajay, I'm not an artist. I don't know how to sing, dance, or act or anything. But my passion is to build this 3i platform for our Indian talent across the globe. So
Right.
what I would like to tell or guide my participants or talent or any talent, whether you are coming to 3i platform, registering or not registering, that's your choice. But one thing which I would like to mention, every talent, you need to showcase your talent. Do not hide your talent.
Correct.
Some people, some talent, they just hide it. Either they are too good, that's why they hide, or they are not too good because they're afraid people will laugh at them. And some talent do not showcase. They say, oh, we are so big. Why we should show it to a small talent platform? I don't understand that. So my advice to every talent would be, please go and showcase your talent. Showcase your talent to the world, any platform. You never know who is looking for what and which part of the country. People are looking for good talent. They are. And that's my objective, that every talent on this earth should register, upload their video, any talent on 3i platform. And I'm planning to bring whole talent community, Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, Collywood, whatever the wood it is, they will come
Right.
on this 3i platform to search any category talent in any part of the world. That's why I say, go and showcase your talent.
This is, आपने शरण जी बड़ी अच्छी बात कही इस पे. मैं आप जब बोल रहे थे मेरा दिमाग चल रहा था. पहली चीज आपने बोली कि दो तरह के लोग हो सकते हैं. एक हो सकता है कि बहुत ही अच्छे लोग हैं, उनके दिमाग में आता है मैं क्यों टैलेंट अपना शोकेस करने जाऊं, और दूसरे तो जिनके दिमाग में कुछ क्वेश्चन मार्क्स होते हैं कि मेरा टैलेंट है, पता नहीं इतने सारे कॉम्पिटिटिव सिनेरियो में जाऊंगा, एक झिझक होती है, हेजिटेशन होता है दिमाग में लोगों के. तो मैं पहले 2-3 पॉइंट कहना चाहूंगा. पहला पॉइंट, जो लोग बड़े अच्छे हैं टैलेंट में, अगर वो सोचते हैं प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में, तो दिस इज, हम लोगों ने पहले बात की, दिस इज सच अ यूनिक प्लेटफॉर्म एंड एट अ ग्लोबल लेवल. So this is no longer a scenario of scale. यहाँ पे छोटा है, this is such a huge platform. फिर हमने यूनिकनेस के बारे में बात करी कि पहली चीज है कि ऑनलाइन के लिए है. तो अगर आपके मन में झिझक है कि मान लिया जब आप एक परफॉर्म करने आते हैं तो आपने एक बार परफॉर्म किया, इट इज लाइक अ टेक, वहां रीटेक का मौका नहीं मिलता. आपने सामने जज सामने लाइव परफॉर्म किया, यहाँ पे अपना वीडियो बना रहे हैं. तो अगर आपने एक बार करने में थोड़ी ऊंच नीच हुई, आपको लगता है, आप दोबारा बना लिए वीडियो, अपना जो अच्छा वाला है वो अपलोड करें. सो आप इस तरह से मौका दे रहे हैं सारे लोग को जो अपना टैलेंट दिखाने के लिए. आई थिंक दिस इज सच अ यूनिक थिंग. एंड जितने लोग सुन रहे हैं इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में, इंटरव्यू सीरीज को, प्लीज टेक टाइम और अपने टैलेंट को रिकॉर्ड करिए एंड डेफिनेटली शोकेस. Sharan ji, any parting thoughts before we bring this interview session to a closure?
So the last thing which I would like to mention, and that this is our season 4. So as per the plan, next season, season 5, we are going to go to India. And that is going to be a big thing for 3i. And if with the grace of God, if everything is going as per plan, so far,
Right.
we have been so fortunate and we got so much support from our participant talent, our volunteers, my team members, advisory board, sponsors, everyone really supported us very well. And next
Right.
season, season 5, we will go to India, and then it is going to be a different game, because then Indian talent is going to compete with the rest of the Indian talent. And you can imagine it will be a really interesting competition when an Indian talent coming from India is competing against USA, Canada, Australia, or Europe talent. And
I can visualize that. That will be huge.
That will be really an interesting thing to see.
Absolutely, absolutely. बहुत बहुत आपने अच्छी अच्छी चीजें बताई हमें, और हम सब लोग का जो कहते हैं ना ज्ञानवर्धन हुआ है इस सेशन के बाद में, टू नो एग्जैक्टली हाउ दिस सीजन 4 सीजन 5 इज गोइंग टू वर्क आउट. So thank you for sharing all your thoughts. और दोस्तों, ऐसा शरण जी ने कहा, please do not hesitate, do visit the website, get all the details, upload your video, showcase your talent. There's no other better opportunity like this. So stay plugged in. और हम लोग लेते हैं ब्रेक, और बाद में फिर हाजिर होंगे सीरीज ऑफ इंटरव्यूज को कंटिन्यू करते हुए. शरण जी, थैंक यू वंस अगेन, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
Thank you so much, Ajay. Thanks for having me, and thank you for this excellent interview. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Take care. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.